Hello guys, welcome to my channel Moneymaker Citizen 1, and this video I'm going to show you a really interesting strategy to make some awesome money online. This is going to be super duper easy and it's not going to take you a huge amount of time. All you need is a screen recording software, that is OBS Studio, which is appearing onto your screen. This is the screen recording software which I am currently using. This is known as OBS Studio. Okay, so this is that particular software which I am using to record my screen, and that's something which you need to use. Okay, so all you need to do is use the screen recording software, and I'm going to show you how you can make money just by using this very simple screen recording software which I am using, which is known as OBS Studio. So first thing you need to do is go to obsproject.com and download the screen recording software. It's really simple software which you need to download. Okay, and most of the people use the software for recording this their screen, live stream, gamings and all this stuff. Okay, so you need to download this. That's the first step which you need to complete to make some money. Okay, now let's jump into the second step to make some money. And before I reveal to you this entire strategy and you download this software, I just want to tell you that I was someone who was stuck into a 9 to 5 before, and it was really hard for me to get out of that and start my online business. And if you are someone who is stuck into a 9 to 5 and really want to do something out of that, you want to do something that can make you full-time income sitting at the comfort of your home, then I highly recommend the first link in the description. Do check out. That's a plug and play opportunity which I am currently using and making money with, and that's something which you can do also, and you can replace your 9 to 5 job with that, and you can start making money from the comfort of your home. But if you don't have money for that opportunity at this current time, watch this video till the end, because I'm going to show you how you can make money online with this simple strategy. But if you want a sustainable income for a long period of time, then do check out the first link and the description. So now let's get started into the strategy. So the first step has been completed. You have downloaded the OBS Studio in this time. Okay, now second thing is that you need to learn how to use this OBS Studio. So there are a ton of tutorials. All you need to do is search for OBS tutorial. Search for OBS tutorials. Okay, and there are a ton of tutorials on YouTube which will teach you how to use OBS Studio, and you can learn using this software in less than 20 minutes. Okay, that's it. That's the maximum amount of time which it will take for you to learn how to use this software. Okay, so the second step is completed. You learned how to use OBS Studio. Now let's go to the third step. Okay, the third step is very simple. I'm going to show you two ways to make money with this. Okay, not one but two. Now you have learned how to use this OBS Studio. Okay, it's now not difficult for you. So you have probably learned how to make screen recording videos with OBS Studio. Okay, so the first step is completed, and second step is you have learned how to use this OBS Studio. Now the third step is that you just need to go to this website and you just need to type in, let's type in OBS. Now, as you have learned how to use this OBS Studio software for screen recording, what you can do is now you can make a course on this stuff. Okay, so you can see this is a course which is 2 hours long, and what this guy is doing is that he is just teaching how to use OBS Studio. So what you can do is you can just make a simple course of how to use OBS Studio, and you can just upload that course to this Udemy, and you are gonna make passive income with that. And the best thing about this is that you don't need to show your face. All you need to do is just tell and explain people about what are the features of OBS Studio, how to use them, and what are the stuffs and all the features which are available. Just recording your screen using OBS Studio and recording that screen with the OBS Studio. That's really awesome, and that's really simple, because a lot of people are just learning how to use this very simple free softwares, and they are providing their courses on Udemy and making absolute passive income just with this stuff. Okay, so you can just make it a 2 hour long, or it can be just a 1 hour long course in which you are just explaining the features of OBS Studio, and that's it. So you can just start making your passive income, the first chunk of money, just by doing this. Now let's go to the second thing, which is really awesome, and that is you just need to search in here. Let's go to search bar and search for Canva. Now, most of the people who are there on my channel probably know about Canva. What is Canva? Canva is a graphic design tool which is available absolutely for free. And what people are doing is that they are selling this courses which are related to Canva. And you can see there are only 870 courses regarding Canva, and that's the reason where you can make the money, because very few people, there is a less competition as compared to any other thing in regards to Canva courses on Udemy. So you can just really make a very good course on Canva, and it can be more than, it can be likely 2 to 3 hours long, but the longer your course is, the more money you make. And all you need to do is just open canva.com, and you just need to learn how to use Canva. I'm just saying that it will take you probably 1 week to learn Canva. Okay, it's really simple, drag and drop graphic design builder. So all you need to do is Canva tutorials. Okay, so all you need to do is click on Canva tutorials, and there are a ton of tutorials which are available on YouTube. All you need to do is learn how to use Canva. Once you have learned it, once you have a little bit mastered on Canva, okay, all you need to do is make a course on that stuff and just upload that course to Udemy, and you will be making a passive income with that. For example, if you sell your course for $10, $20, it depends on you, whatever price you want to set it for, and you can just start making money doing this using this free software. So Canva is free, OBS Studio is free, and they are the easiest ones to use. And all you need to do is learn how to use this easy softwares and teach that stuff to people, and you can charge money for that. And that's something which is really crazy, and people are making a ton of passive income just by doing this very simple stuff. And this is something which is really simple, really easy, and almost anyone can do it. Okay, so it's not that very difficult, almost anyone can do it. Okay, so this is something which, because it's a drag and drop builder, so all you need to do is drag something, and let me open Canva, and you can see it's really simple to make a particular design on Canva. Okay, so all you need to do is click on create design, or you are just getting this ready-made templates. So let me show you how to make a printer's pin on Canva. Okay, so once you are in the Canva interface, just sign up. Okay, it's a free account. Okay, so all you need to do is just drag something, drop here. Now just click and you can edit all this stuff. Okay, so let me edit this. Okay, just click on it. Let's click on it, and now you can edit like I am the boss. That's it. Now this has been edited, and now all you need to do is you can change the color and all this stuff over here. You can add some elements, upload some photos, and all this stuff. And if you want to add some extra text, you can do it from here. All you need to do is just drag and drop. Okay, whatever you want to do, just drag and drop, and you can just teach people how to use Canva, make a course and upload that to Udemy and start making a passive income. And you can also teach people how to use OBS Studio. Now this is something which may take you 1 day to learn how to use OBS Studio, and it may take 2 to 3 days for you to learn how to use Canva. And once you have learned how to do Canva, all you need to do is just create a course on that. Okay, use the screen recording software, because the course is just a screen recording software, just a screen recording in which you are showing how to use a particular tool, and that's it for that. And if you want some extra information, what you can do is that you can buy this Udemy course. It costs $10 to $20. Okay, you can buy any of this Udemy course and learn about it, that how they are doing this stuff and what they are explaining and this videos. Okay, so you can also do that. You can buy this course and just learn what they are teaching, and you can just recreate that stuff and make your course on Udemy and upload it back to Udemy and start making a passive income with this. Because once you upload your course to Udemy, it's Udemy's responsibility that it's gonna drive a lot of traffic to your course, and you can probably make a ton of money with this, doing this very simple stuff. Okay, so you, on the first day, you can learn Canva. Okay, so you can make a course on Canva, you can make a course on OBS Studio, you can make a course on any of the other softwares, whichever you may be knowing Premiere Pro, or you may be knowing how to use Photoshop. Then you can just create courses and start selling your courses on this stuff. What people are doing is that they are creating 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 courses just like this, selling them on Udemy and making a full-time fortune with it. This can be something which can be very rewarding if you are ready to put some time and effort in this, and you can make this whole money. But if you are interested in making a really great sustainable income online, which is not this which is a really less amount of work as compared to whatever the strategy which I shown you today, then I highly recommend that you should check out the first link in the description. That's something which is a plug and play affiliate system that can make you a ton of money. Okay, so if you got some value out of this video, press the like button, smash the subscribe button, and if you want more videos from me, comment down below whatever the topics you want me to make videos on. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay subscribed, and thanks for watching.